So getting straight into this video, you guys, this method that I use to clean my tub works amazingly and it's chemical free. So I'm giving you some before shots before I actually start showing you what I use to clean the tub. I did remove the mat, I removed everything in the tub, and that's what you want to do firsthand. And yeah, my hair is everywhere because I have long hair and that tends to get all over the house, especially in the tub. So I'm going to list everything I use down below and with the proper measurements so you guys can try it at home. So these are the only things I use to clean that gunk out of my shower. One, I use the pure Castile soap from Dr. Bronner's, and the next thing is some vinegar. If you don't like vinegar, you can substitute it for some nice freshly squeezed lemon juice, and also baking soda and a brush from the dollar store. So the first step that I do is I rinse my tub completely so it can get nice and wet and kind of like loosen up the soap scum that is around the shower, the walls, etc. Again, you guys, all the measurements will be linked down below, but what I'm doing is starting off with the baking soda first. I'm sprinkling it all over the shower, including the faucet part, including the corners, sometimes even the walls. Since it's nice and wet, it's sticking to it. After the baking soda, you're going to want to place the vinegar right on top of where you put all of the baking soda, and it makes this bubbly effect where you can actually hear it. Like, it sounds like opening a can of soda where it fizzes and stuff. That's exactly what it's doing. And the last step is putting the Dr. Bronner's soap all over the entire tub. I let this method sit for a good half hour and then I start scrubbing, and as you can see, all the dirt is already coming off. And I did fasten up the clips because I don't think you guys want to see me scrubbing for a good like 10 minutes. And I scrub for that long because I'm kind of like a perfectionist a little bit, but this really takes no time. The longer you let it soak, the less you have to scrub. But since I was kind of in a rush, I was scrubbing a little bit harder than usual and trying my best to get every little piece of dirt out. Once you're done scrubbing or letting it sit, you can just rinse it all away. This is how my tub looks every time I do this DIY. I've been doing this DIY for like 2 years now, and I will never go back to commercial cleaners like Ajax or any of that bleach stuff because it's unnecessary and it's just adding chemicals into your home, in which I want to practice this chemical-free cleaning now before I have kids in the future, because I wouldn't want them around a bunch of chemicals. But if you guys try this out, send me before and after pictures of your shower. I have my Instagram link down below like always, so if you guys want to message me or have any other video suggestions, just leave them in the inbox or comment on the pictures I post. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this DIY, and make sure to throw a thumbs up down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!